How to fix cannot join an invitational league and cups in FPL. Hey guys, and let's get started. If you're trying to join an invitational league, the process is simple. You just have to log in into your Premier League application, go to Fantasy, click on Join Leagues option, go to Invitational, give your code, and you're able to join the league. However, if you're not able to do so, the first solution would be verifying the invitation link or code. Ensure you have the correct invitation link or code. Another step is you need to update the FPL app or website. For this, go to Play Store, search for Premier League, and tap on the update button. If you're using the web version, refresh the page or you could clear the browser history as well. Also, another option is to check league or cup status. Make sure it is still active and open for new members. Some leagues or cups may be specific entry deadlines or restrictions. Another thing you have to try is look for the error messages or specific prompts. Follow any online instruction if provided. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching. And in case of any queries, do not hesitate to drop on the comment section.